Hello my lovely jelly babes. So Sharon Buchanan lived for the one, Desandria Morton Pusey, sorry if I've said your name wrong. They requested a wear test on this polish, so that is what this video is about. So this is them. I've literally just completed applying them. By the way, it's coming across quite dark on camera. It is actually a lot nicer shade. You see it better sort of outside in natural daylight. So this is it outside in natural daylight. Now I had to do an emergency procedure on this nail. It had cracked right down the side. So I did like the tea bag, repair system where you put like glue a tea bag on it, and then obviously I did my nails. So I don't know how long this one's going to last for. So this is day 7. Now this here, totally ignore, that was my fault. I was chopping onions and slipped, and it thankfully didn't affect my own natural nails, but that's what that is. The emergency surgery seems to be going well. She did have a fracture. It wasn't a full-on break, it was a fracture, but it looks like it's keeping strong. So this is day 7. Now moving on, this is day 12, still going strong. Obviously I've got some regrowth coming through now. This is the other hand, and unfortunately I'd had a little chippage there and there. Now I do want to clarify, this happened because I was decorating, and I don't mean like painting with a paintbrush. I mean putting laminate flooring down and putting all my room together, which hopefully you've seen. If not, I'll leave a link to it. And yeah, it was so frustrating. It was literally the last board going down, and obviously with laminate flooring it was right up against the wall, and I just didn't bring my fingers out quick enough, and you just caught it and chipped it off. But this is like day 17 and it's still going strong. It's not chipped at the bottom or anything. You've got a little bit of wear on the thumb, but that was a thumb that was really short anyway, so I couldn't get like a real good seal on it. So I'm actually really impressed. I think if I hadn't had like that fracture and obviously decorating, these would probably still be on. So I am genuinely impressed with how long these have lasted on my nails. I just want to clarify as well, like with wear tests, like this has lasted like quite a long time on me. It doesn't guarantee it's going to last a long time on you. And I know this because of doing like family's nails. Like I've used the exact same polish, obviously done the exact same application process, and it's lasted like the full on like two weeks on one person, and literally within 2 days it had chipped off the other person. It just reacts funny. It's very, very strange.